highly encourage anyone who is interested in FinCrime and AML compliance to participate in further editions of workshops that are organized by ACFCS and LexisNexis. They are practical, so we work on use cases, and there is a great opportunity to network with other professionals. So I bet you will enjoy it.